Good morning, Wayne. Good morning, Marwan. Some Arabic boy. Hello. Hello. Sell or buy. Sell and buy. I think it's a sell, guys. Let me see. Yes. Maybe like we'll go like down to take liquidity as this liquidity. And German 40 like already been selling from here. I already closed my position. But we'll be looking for reversal around like this level. Euro, we will see correction. I don't know like till what area we can reverse. We can reverse at this level, or we can go deeper around like 10377 and reverse here. So just like showing for people who watch this from YouTube or from TikTok, because you guys probably don't see. Let me make tea and we will continue. Okay guys, let me share translation like really quick. And open TikTok. 1 second. And we can chit chat. Crypto is better. And we can chit chat. I know crypto. Congratulations, crypto machinery. Crypto is better. And we can chit chat. I know. For now we have bearish flow already on German 40. If I'm not mistaken, we won't have like any news. Only like Canadian news and consumer confidence at 6 p.m. my time. But in general, like nothing there, like literally nothing. I like that on British pound we already took liquidity, and right now price in daily open, which can give us like nice reaction here. We also have this like forward gap. I don't know. The problem is like on a daily time frame on euro we came into like forward gap, this one, and got reaction. So like we got reaction. Probably like we will have some sort of pullback, but the question is like, will we have pullback till this forward gap, or like reverse right now, or we will see to take this equal loss. But we have SMT with DXI, which can be like nice confirmation. Okay, 1 sec. Give me that 1 second, please, so I can send. Alerts to start the stream. I always like forgetting it. Don't forget to join our Discord channel. We'll have a great sheet there and a lot of stuff coming next year. After we're gonna finish our main product, have a huge update coming. So, and news about like stream, we will probably like have a completely new schedule next year. So if you don't wanna miss it, I highly recommend you to join it. Plus we have like backtest indicators that come in. It's like very useful. What the fuck is this? So German 40 came into the area. Just need to wait for shift now, and then we'll see. Regardless gold, it just came into this order block. We can see, I can see like 3 options right now. Price will keep going higher. Dive in, take liquidity, reverse and going higher, or like breaking down below because it took price took previously high, and keep going lower to take all this liquidity. So it's 3 options right now. Okay, waiting for my team. 1 second, guys. Let me check my mic, because my mic is loves to just like drop volume. Where can I get mentorship? We don't have mentorship. We don't sell mentorship, but if you want mentorship, you can message me in the Discord. Discord. It's live trading. It's Flux Chart. I sent invite from my second account. My nickname Armenia. You can message me and we can talk about mentorship. Alright, so what do you use in the another ICT? What do you use? Is this another ICT trader? It's not ICT, as it's not like, it's not pure ICT, I would say, because I used to trade like bar analysis, like volume spread analysis and classic analysis, plus price action. Like ICT, pure ICT doesn't work. Like, let's say this. Pure ICT doesn't work. Here I would say like it's gonna be long here. Something like this. Regardless euro, I would wait because it's an aggressive sell side. We might go like lower till this forward gap. Might go lower here. Gold might go higher. Do you consider high reverse trend trading in 1 minute? I don't look at 1 minute forward gaps. Like, if I'm not consider them like at all. I'm consider like when I trade indexes, I look at like 5 minute, 15 minute, like 1 hour forward gaps. But usually, like, I'm marking my zones based on high time frames. It's a weekly time frame. It's a weekly time frame. 1 sec. George Modi, you can find link below in the description to our Discord community. Like, all information is there. So I'm looking at high time frames. It's usually weekly, daily, 4 hour, like 1 hour. I mark like my zones, areas like point of interest, like a boy, like where I expect some reaction. For example, here I marked, if I'm not mistaken, like 4 hours. Yeah, like I marked like 4 hours per one gap. And as you can see on German 40, like we got reaction exactly from equilibrium of this 4 hours per one gap. And now in my strategy, I have to wait for like a shift and then second shift. So what does it mean? I need to this is last higher low, this is one, like of this local downtrend. I need price to go high to form higher high, pull back, and then on second shift I can enter. If I don't see at least like one shift, I won't enter position. That's simple. The hardest part that majority of traders face they don't wait, so they usually skip this part like of waiting and think that they're right all the time and enter position without confirmation. So I just patiently wait for price to do its thing and to like my points in my like strategy, things that I use like for my strategy for trading. to appear on the chart, and only then I enter. I hope you like understood what I meant. Majority of traders, they like don't have it. That's the point. So here, for example, we already have some sort of like reversal on British pound, so I might be long in it. Yeah, this is first shift. Now I need some sort of pullback here and second shift. Also keep in mind, it just can just keep going up. It's completely fine. But unlike this, we have like one more zone lower, so I have to wait. Regardless gold, I already explained everything. If we like for gold, I prefer to look at like 1 hour. Do you have any trading goals for 200 scam? Okay. Dogger products scam. Okay. Let's ban you then. Okay, good. Do you have any trade goals for like for next year? Okay. Next year, don't lose money. Try to like make some money. Like what? Same goal. If you regard this our product, I personally I don't know, because I only like do trades, live trades on stream. If you wanna ask regardless our product, like about Flux Chart, you can join our Discord channel, link for it below in the description or on our main page. If link doesn't work, like you can use this one. Okay, you can use this link. So regardless gold, I prefer to look at like 1 hour. On 1 hour it's clean that most likely we will keep going higher. But we closed literally, if we look, hide it, we closed below previous daily high, so this is not clear shift how it's supposed to be. So it's like tricky right now. I have open position, like on Thursday I've been talking about gold and that I'm looking for reversal at this area. So I have like one position open. Let me show you. I have one position open. For some reason on this week, probably like there hasn't been like any liquidity and it didn't close my position. But overall, there you go. It's my most likely last trade on gold this year. And also we will have like this stream and New York stream, and then it's gonna be like over for at least like a couple weeks. Aggressive selling. So I would say Euro more bearish today until New York maybe. You see, no shift, so like no entry here. Check chat. Took loan on gold. Okay, great. Indicator name, come on, it's price action toolkit by Flux Chart. We also have this one. Please check Tesla, will it go up? Alright guys. So Tesla, regardless Tesla. Weekly candle, it calls like pin bar, guys. Or something like that. When I've been trading like bars, when I see this, but let's pretend it's like red, right? This is like sell all in till like first zone of liquidity. Like for me, it's 310. In my opinion, Tesla, it will go down. In my opinion, I might be wrong, but I've been talking about Tesla since Wednesday, and I said like it was like exit pump, this one. So right now we almost like back to range. We have a huge range on Tesla. It's all-time high. The weekly it closed like this. So, well. It's extremely overbought. Let me when we're talking about yeah, there you go. You have a MACD, right? I hope you can see MACD. Come on. It's like extremely overbought. Okay, let's check RSI. Again, same shit. Extremely overbought. Last time it happened here, look like how Tesla performed when on a weekly we've been overbought, minus 75%. Same happened here. As soon as like it goes above like 70 on the RSI, it's over. I'm talking about like RSI when we look at daily, weekly time frame. Dior, like please join our Discord channel. There you go. Find a live trading chat, live trading chat, and you will see Armenia Flux chart. Please message me and we mock please I need like more details, okay? I cannot tell you like this. You have to show me contract, your entry, your exit, etc, etc. Please, like, I need more information. Please don't also don't forget about like taxes, right? I don't know where you bought, etc. I know if it's from States, you have to wait. So like, for example, you have to pay like 10% or like 0, I don't remember exactly, or like have to pay 30%. Like, completely different story. Tesla 535 call. Yikes. $465 calls. I think it will go down. I might be wrong, but you took expiration date is 27/12, 442.5 call. So you already, like, I don't think 442. Maybe it will go like there, but like why? I think it will go down here. I don't see like any zones. It's already double shift. No, I don't see like why it should go up here. You can check like today, but if today we won't see bounce, maybe like tomorrow, I think it will go down. But in my opinion, it will go down already. It's over, in my opinion. Hello, like I said, like most likely it will go down, like because like if you open weekly time frame, which is like high time frame, right? Like we're not talking about like monthly is like monthly we cannot say because monthly is not over. Specifically, if like months will close below this line that I have, well, it's Tesla will touch 445. Why it should touch 445? Like we have like this, like let me see, like 12 hours. We have this like volume, right? So like this inefficiency zone, this one. Zone of inefficiency. So this like wicks on like 12 hours and on daily, right? This inverse fair value gap. But higher, this area, like I don't know guys, it's extremely overpriced. Like most of the people, they will try to like fix their like profit and just like walk away. They don't give a fuck about like their like taxes. Or maybe we will see like flat and price will stuck there. You have expiration on 27th December. 27th December. So first of all, it's a mistake to like take expiration at this point, because usually when we talk about options, it's like better to like take it 20th. So 20th expiration day. Like I said, like where is like 4 hours, guys? It's 4 hours. It's like almost absorbed like this previous candle, like Friday's candle. So look at this, how it closed, minus 5%, because people closed position. They sold here, and big fellas sold too. Why you think it will go like 442, 445 somewhere? Like, because of what? $442, because of like previous daily high. Maybe, but like we'll see how market will open. Liquidation sweep. I don't know. I don't think so. Like for me, like Tesla is over. But once again, today is Monday. Today is Monday. We'll see how market will open. Tomorrow is day off, right? So, guys, like I don't know. Like for me, Tesla is not a buy here. Like 100%. Like 100%. Price extremely overpriced. Like I don't know like why people even like bought calls here. I understand like when we've been here, like this one was a great confirmation. This one, this area, this one before earnings, and we've been buying here. Like I've been buying here. I've been telling everyone keep buying and sell at all-time high. I even like posted this straight in our grid. Like 390, it's like I don't think so. I think it will go lower, because if you see like weekly time frame and how it like closed, you can easily see that it has to rebound till discount. Which is like discount is 350, 370, 3 to like 295. So it's this area. So I think we will see this level. And like I said, I like show RSI and the MACD, they like screaming that price extremely overpriced. Like Tesla is extremely volatile. Like what do you think? In 2021 it went down like almost 70%. Like in 2023, like when market been pumping, it went down like 50%. Like do you think it's hard for price from all-time high go like 35%? It's like not much. It's only 35%. It's only 35%. Tesla, fuck, like it's... I know its company is doing great, like from financial like standpoint, but still, it's not big of a deal. Like 35%, like it's healthy correction. Like if you're talking about the Google, like once again, look at how weekly closed. Weekly closed inside, right? So we closed inside here. Look at this, how we closed. Is there a prop firm for stocks? Not that I know of. Deep Blue. Like the thing is, you hope. No, it's not a great thing. Like when you hope. I read the chart. Like I will see how market will be open. But if we're talking about Google, look at how weekly closed. It's extremely bearish. We have like this daily fair value gap. Maybe it will pump like we already like touched like 0.5. Maybe we have this inverse fair value gap, this one. On Nasdaq, it's a futures by the way. I trade like blue chips, guys. Right, the shit that pumped. It looks like crypto, you know. I don't like. I just like don't trade it. I don't trade it, and I won't trade it. I'm okay with like if I need like risk, I will use options. Okay, if I need to risk something, I will use option. I don't need anything else. Why do I need to like risk and try to like get into like stocks that like pumping and dumping? This stock just one big contract with NASA. Did you know they will win? I doubt so. It's pure gambling. They won contract, but it doesn't mean they will be able to stay in it. They might fucked up, and contract will go to like another one. It's not a big deal. Yeah, it's a news pump. It's a news pump. That's why. I stay away from stocks that volatile like this. Like if you wanna build wealth, you have to like trade like blue chip, and you have to like invest. So like day trading, you get good income, but you won't build wealth with it. Like this is like one company that I truly admire. It's like this one. It's Lilite. It's Eli Lilly and company. Like really nice company one. It's like really good one. But right now we in range, so I stayed away. So like this like was good time to short here, and this time was good time to buy. I've been talking about it on the stream. Another good company, it's Northwest Natural Gas Holding Company. Like it's good for dividends and really nice one like to buy, because prices on gas, I don't know, like most likely they will go up. At least like looks like on the chart of natural gas, price will keep going higher. Okay guys, let me get me on my phone. Palantir, yeah. So like regardless Palantir, I've been trading Palantir for like a long time. Even so, like when it was like 20 bucks, from like 2021 I've been trading it. And like here it was accumulation. It was so fucking obvious. I can show you a conversation with my friend. I've been telling him to buy Palantir. He asked me to analyze it, and I told him like this is a great time to buy like at 10 bucks. Right now it's like at 80. So X8. It's obviously it was like consolidation, and it's a military company, so they produce something, and to like while like Russian-Ukrainian conflict like still going on, and like with the shit with Israel and Yemen, like all this kind of stuff, prices like will keep going up like for this company, but it's extremely overpriced, so I won't get in. You try to like, so you have to work like at least like 1 hour. You didn't have a single shift on 1 hour. You can't short it until you have like shift, and you have like earnings. You try to like so here was some sort of shift, first shift, but you need to wait for second one, and then you can enter. But it's earnings, so you can't open position while you have earnings to have. Same, you can't short stock. You can't short like stocks that have dividends soon, because people hold in there like after dividends. Usually, so the strategy like after dividends you like open short position, because like people who rotate in between dividends shares, like to just collect dividends. This is how they do this thing. They get in, like take dividends, and after dividends they just get out, and that's why like price dropping. So like this strategy like around it. Let me get my tea like really quick, and we will continue discussion about it. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay. What do we have? Still nothing, guys. Still nothing. Yeah, like in our indicator, like showed like this is like buy signal. which is great. Yeah, I think like gold will keep going up. Like I'm in position already on gold, so I don't care much. Well, like theoretically it's a shift and double shift, but like I said, I don't like that we have like zone down below. The man with the plan himself, just look at Excel. Super trend. What do you mean, like super trend, like on gold? No, it's not super trend. I think it's just like rebalance. We still have downtrend on daily time frame, and I wouldn't say like weekly close like extremely great. Look at this. Let's hide everything. So weekly, I don't think like weekly close like the best. It's kind of hard to tell. We came into this like daily order block. This one. Most likely we tested on futures. No, we didn't test it on futures. But we like close to it. I think we will take like this liquidity before going lower. The kit you have, it's like I have price action toolkit by Flux Chart, and I have SFX Algo by Flux Chart. So as you can see, they're kind of useful. And here, most likely we will see like my setup here that I usually trade. But it has to break above like this high with fair value gap. Then I can enter position. Reversal FFG. No, just fair value gap. So it basically should be aggressive move that showed me this is like a real like reversal, not a fake one. Because it can be liquidity grab like this one. You see, I need like something that show me the reality and how it like truly shows up. Okay, we have alert here. What I've like find out like the best, it's like especially like for Forex market, it's like trade on 15 minutes. With all my back tests, like with all my practice, like real trading on Forex, like don't go like below like 15 minutes, that's it. 15 minutes or higher. Like 5 minutes maybe. Yeah, tested discount. So we might get reversal here. Just need to wait for confirmation. So ideally it has to like touch daily open, close above, pull back, and something like this. And I will enter around like this level. This is the plan, like for London session. Because if I see this, it's gonna be the confirmation for my entry. And I can enter position. Yeah, so we close like really well. Like I said, right now I have to wait for next like 5 minutes to see if we will see inverse, not inverse, just fair value gap, like test of this fair value gap, and then like price will keep going its way. So like with my setup, it's like it can be like 3 possible entries. So first entry is this one, aggressive. This is second one, actually like 4 there, like 4. Third entry on pullback, and fourth entry on breakthrough. Fourth entry is the safest one. The safest one. Where you will enter, I just like explained. I showed like 4 entries, and I said I will enter on the safest one. Today is my last day like trading. I will trade again only like next year. It's gonna be probably like January 6th. Yeah, January 6th. So I will take like 2 weeks off. I have a couple books that I will read. First book, it's Long-Term Secrets to Short-Term Trading by Larry Williams. let me show you. It's here, this one. Yeah. It's yeah, this one, guys. So if you want to read something like this is a really nice choice, like this one. and second one, it's where is this? Yeah, this one, and this is the second one that I have. I will read it. Like, really good one. My friend recommended it. So I think it's a great choice, like, to spend some time like outside of the market, just to like rest, because want it or not, it's kind of complicated, like work in general. So this is like two books I like highly recommend it, because my friend recommended it. But anyway, I can tell you this, that my friend, he's like been trading like more than me, so he has like a, but he's like more like investment stuff, so he like invests instead of like just like day trading. He just like simply can't because he like work. He used to work in the bank with me, but now he has like his own company and he just doesn't have time for it. But he invests more and like he likes trading, like it's more like a passion to him, like a hobby. Great. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enter here. Yeah. With 1-to-1. on that position. It's gonna be like 1-to-1 trade. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Hello Mert, hello guys, hello everyone who've been watching us. Is this ICT? Yes, I'm ICT. I'm his father. I'm father of ICT. He's like, one sec, he's like calling me and asking like what to do. What kind of indicator is it's just like premium indicator by SFX Algo, so you can try it out. We have 7 days money back guarantee policy, so you can try it. ICT, I'm your father. Like, the biggest problem that I think you like people facing when they trade, they because of this like media and a lot of people that showing that they making money, like easily making money on trading, they think it's like easy. And like a lot of this I don't know, like in Russian we call it info gypsy, like info gypsy. I don't know how it calls it in States or like anywhere. So basically they telling you like what to do. They telling you it's easy to trade, extremely easy to trade, and they showing you only like positive results, so they probably lose money, and all these people who like trying to teach, they probably losing money and they don't make anything, but they trying to convince you that they profitable. Like only like few people like can do things that I do. Like I provide profitable signals for like I do like live trading, and I give signals for free. Like I don't know like who does something like this. I know like one guy, obviously I won't be like advertising like for free for him, but he streams like once in a month, that's it. If you want to be like part of his Discord community, where he just gives investment advice, he doesn't give like signals like I do. You have to pay like $150. It's kind of like expensive in my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong and it's like not expensive at all. But I think it's expensive. It's my opinion. I might be wrong. Oh, my tea is ready. I bought such a nice stream, like Helmo one, relaxing, relaxation. Just an amazing stream. Like I mean, like it's good index. I'm just like tired of like it's and plus it's a prime time for this index. Like, come on. It's just literally prime time. When the fundamentals are right for me, I love the moves on these indexes. Yeah, like when you day trade, you don't give a fuck about fundamentals, honestly. No, think about like this way. I trade like on 1 minute. My longest position like usually like up to 2 hours, but usually it's around like, if like momentum is right and I got into position, I got into position, I would say like in the right moment, like before the movement, like right before the movement, I will stay in position up to like 15 minutes. How fundamentals will help me there? Like how? If we're talking about like high time frame and swing trading, then yes, it's like 100% you have to like learn fundamentals. If you invest, it's like must have. You have to use like fundamentals. You have to read like financial like reports, like all this kind of stuff. 100% agree. But when you trade like 1 minute and you stay in trade like for 15 minutes, like my goal is just like to take like small profit, like even like scalp sometimes. Why do I care about fundamentals? I used to have friend, we don't talk anymore because like some shit he did, but anyway, he was my boss at Deutsche Bank, so like he control like all our department, and he he has a like trading license, so he can manage money, he can work in bank. He into fundamentals. He also like finished economic school, all this kind of stuff. And in 2023, like with all this analytics, he said, American stock market gonna fucking nuke. It's like Swan, etc, etc. If you want, I can open and show you what happened. He told me it was like September. I told him no, like I just look at the majors like stocks such as Nvidia, like Tesla, AMD. I said no, like most likely we will keep going up. Well, it's S&P, all this kind of stock like went to all-time high. Fundamentally, he was right because everyone been expecting recession, right? But by looking at chart, no. But this is just example where fundamental didn't work. but most of the fundamental like work fundamentals, like work like right, like in on long distance you're obligated to know fundamental stuff and like understand and read them. But with when you trade like 1 minute, you just don't give a fuck, honestly. Yeah, like nothing is right, nothing like nothing is right, like nothing is wrong. Like it's all about, like, for me the most important stuff is like risk management and discipline. If you have like risk management and discipline, you can even like toss fucking coin and you will be profitable. This is the most this is the funniest part that like people don't understand. Like, this is the funniest part, honestly. I've been trading for more than 10 years. Like I know what trading is. Like, it's not like I trade like first day. It's not like this. By the way, British pound. Daily open, by the way. This is a power of daily open. Guys, if you have questions, feel free to ask, because I'm gonna be streaming for like 1 hour 20 minutes and then I'm gonna be off. And I won't be streaming till New York session, and it's gonna be like last stream. Regardless, Xao is the guy with like a weird nickname from TikTok. I already like showed everything, so I stay like my way that like it will keep going up, unless we will see like shift and aggressive move like downwards here. Unless. That's it. For German 40 also, in my experience, better to look at like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, it's like, it's a way to like trade it. Like 5 minutes, like 1 minute, nah, like too much noise. 5 minutes, yes. For gold, I would say like 1 hour. For euro, like 5-15 minutes. For indexes, especially like Nasdaq, it's and Dow Jones like 1, like 3, like 5 minutes, and mark zones like on like 5-15 minutes, and etc. I already did analysis on gold, man, like, and also like you like I have to talk to your parents. Like, where's your manners? You can say, please, can you like do this, like, etc. Be nice. Come on, like, without like analysis. This is like I'm not like your like friend. I'm not like your body. I'm not your like dad and mom where I can demand something. Be nice, okay? Or I will like spank you, and you will stay in the corner. That's the amount of the money you made in 1 month or 1 day. It's like one trade. It's like one trade. N005. It's literally like one trade. If you join our Discord community, you can find link below in the description. You will see that like I and other like mods we posting our trades. It's a profit section. You can see like, and also like people who using our indicators, they like post like these trades as well. My last trade on gold, it was 14k. You can find it. It's from this. Actually, I show it here. There you go. Okay, let me see if you can see it clearly. This is from December 14th, the 13th. You can see, right? And this is a current trade. I'm currently, it's from I'm in the stream from 19th, so like from Thursday. This is my current trade on gold, and it's currently plus 7k. I think price will keep going higher, but maybe I will close it by the end of the day. So yeah, so as you can see, I had like one stop, literally because of spread. As you can see, it closed my position because of spread, so I had to reopen it with bigger stop, and this is how it like worked. How much have you made in the past day? On Sunday I made 0 because it was Sunday. So like I don't work on Sunday. I spent on Sunday. Actually no, I didn't spend a cent. So yeah, I would say I made 0. If we're talking about like Friday, like around like 800 bucks. But I don't trade like on big accounts during December. Only like if it's something appears like trade on gold. Yeah, then I can enter like with like 1k risk, like maybe 2k risk. In the past week, like around like 4-5k plus this position that open, it's plus 7k. I haven't checked yet because my month is not over. Like I usually like calculate by the end of the month, and it's a prop firms because like I'm Russian, plus I have clients like from States, from Europe, like one client from Asia, and I haven't calculated like anything yet for them. Because once again, I need to wait by the end of the month, at least like trading months. I mean, so like today will be last day, and tomorrow I will be calculating like everything. And we already closed all positions on stocks, and like options. We closed like all options too. Basically, like. That's it, because I don't like to like celebrate New Year with feeling that I have like something open. I don't like to like worry. Batch USD, okay. I don't give a fuck about crypto, dude. I just don't give a fuck, honestly. What time zone are you in? I'm Russian, Flux chart like located in states. So basically like everyone from Flux Charts besides me from states, like but me. But I'm like Russian. I just like do like live trading, and I provide analysis and signals like for the team, basically. What prop firm do you use? So I highly recommend, because I'm Russian, guys. I highly like I'm sanctioned. Because where I was born, not because like I'm like how it goes. I support like what's going on like etc. No, or because I'm under sanctions. No. Just because like. Because it was my nation, that's it, in my passport. So I can use like only limited amount of firm. I highly recommend you like to use a firm that from S tier and that have history. Even so, if you pay like extra like $50 like for, I'm talking about like 150k account, like 25k account, like doesn't matter. So you pay extra like 5-10%, but I know like for a fact that this like prop firm, like, chances that this prop firm like will be like scam, they will scam me, it's quite little, like it's close to zero. I don't think they will bankruptcy, etc. Ideally, you have to have like prop firms that under big brokers, such as Oanda, for example. Oanda, it's a big broker. I highly recommend to use like them. Also, another prop firm, it's like 5 years. I've been using 5 years, like no problem at all, like with payouts, with accounts, with support, like everything great. So 5 years. It's a great choice as well. They don't have a discounts, yes, but like okay, I'm gonna pay, let's say like 10k account like cost me like $78, 20k account cost me 165, 60k cost like 100k cost me like $500, but it's completely fine. It's like $600, but I know for a fact I won't lose money because I had like prop firms that like, first of all, you're losing money, you're losing time. Like money is important, but time is like more important. And imagine you have like a lot of accounts on like one prop firm, and then they just like closed, like through Forex funds or something like this, as it was, or like Forex engineer or like funded engineers, like this like prop firms. They like it were like big prop firms, but still I would say but still, like, so now I'm more focusing on like prop firms that like have experience. They have like clear rules, etc. So 5 years on Blue Guardian, like funded next. I have account with like Fun and Pips, but I highly don't recommend them. Like I just like have account there, like, but I don't buy new accounts. I just have old ones, and I'm making like 1-2% and withdraw money from them. That's it. I don't make more, because last time when I made around like, it was 50k account, I made I was in profit 6%, like 3k or something. It was, and potentially it was moved on German 40. I potentially would have made like around like 14k. It was a big swing trade. So what they did, I had equity at 49,500, so it was like down like 1%, and I had equity at 49 like 500. I was plus 2.5k or something like 2.5 or 20 or 2.7k in profit, 2,700. And what they did in the middle of the day, they just like withdraw like $91 from my equity, and by doing this, automatically system messaged me that I breached account when I was in profit, etc. And it took me almost a week to convince them just to look at my case and look at my account and see like what's wrong. So they ended up telling me, so like imagine you have a chart, right? So every time on a chart, they like imagine like support telling me this. Say every time price moves down, every single time. So let's say my entry is here. Every time price moves down, they summarize this move down and this breach in my account. Just imagine the support been telling me this. So every time it moves down, it summarizes, and this is breaching my account. And it wasn't like breach on because I have rule like around like 2.5 or 3%. I was breaching like 5% rule, so it means like drawdown a day, which like it was impossible. And after a week, they finally checked my case and gave me account back. But I had to close my position, not in I would say I didn't want to close it, but I had to. So it was like so since then I like never like bought like a single account from them. Like, no, thank you. Top 3 like 5 years, then I would say Oanda. I didn't try like E8, but E8 markets I heard like only like good reviews. So I would say like fund it next, but they're a bit aggressive with their like advertisement, but still like fine. Like I didn't have any problem with them. Like payouts like great. Like they have problem with spread. Yeah, they have problem with spread. That's the only problem they have. Oanda. You know, like I will Google something look for you. Euro USD, right? Now, Euro USD, Forex, and now look at second line. Do you see this broker, Oanda? They have prop firm. So I don't think like I need to explain more. So it's Oanda. I can zoom out. Oanda. It's like one of the biggest broker, like for Forex. I know like if you're from States, you have like Apex or like, probably Apex or something. So you have some prop firms that allows you to connect to like a trading view. I have friends like they're from Europe. They trade on trading view, like through like prop firm. I think it's a great shit. Like imagine you can like trade like contracts basically like through like trading view. It's extremely like comfortable. It's like so fucking good. You don't need to like change, because I'm trading on MetaTrader, so like all my accounts on MetaTrader, trade lockers, trader like across like all this kind of shit. And I can simply like just open positions on like trading view. This is fucking amazing. I'm using mostly funded next 5 years, so I'm maxed out there. Fund Pips and Blue Guardian. But once again, guys, I am Russian. I'm Russian. I extremely sanctioned. Like so, like with my citizenship, I'm extremely sanctioned. If I had a choice, I just like used like top tier, and that's it. 5 years, guys, like honestly, spread is like for indexes okay. If you try like find it next, you understand like what I'm talking about. For Forex markets, spread zero. If it's like news squeeze, like sometimes like for example it's so on a new squeeze, your position won't be liquidated if there is no liquidity. I would say this. On another one, as soon as price touches level, your position got liquidated. How you would deal with your first payout? Repeat what? Like so, like about spread, or what? Repeat. Can you please like Gensleon? Can you please tell me what to repeat? And I will. How you would deal with your first payout? I already had my payout. What? If you're talking how I calculate like what I do with my payouts, so like let's say like I made like 1K, right? It's easy to count. 10 right now, even just right now, like 10% from my first from my payout goes like to crypto. So I buy spot on crypto, right? So this is like my first what I do. Then like 30% or like 40% goes to like my savings. So I just like save money, like because I need like to buy property. and to move out like from where I live right now. I have like apartment here. I mean, like, talking about Russia. I have apartment here. I have a house. I have a car. My kids they have everything they need. They go like to the pool, like the exercises. So like so like my expenses like fully covered. With this like 50% is it left, it's like my expenses. So 40% I saved, 10 I got like to invest, and if I have some extra income, so for example my expenses, like my whole expenses, I'm not talking about like my wife, etc. Like my whole expenses is are like where I live. I live in my own place. Yeah, it's a small apartment that I bought. But I bought it because like situation in Russia. So basically, I have to hide, so I won't be drafted like to the war. Like let's say this. So like I don't pay rent. I just like pay the bills. Like my whole expenses is like $1,500. So like 1.5K, it's like my whole expenses. I don't spend more. It's like, okay, if I need to buy something like clothes for kids, like for myself, for example, I spend like to buy like something for my kids and for myself and for my wife. Okay, like 2K. That's it. I don't need more. So if I have like some extra income and I have some left by the end of the month, I just move it to like my saving account. Right now, I don't buy like any stocks. I don't like buy like I just buy crypto with like 10% of my like total income. I buy in spot. That's it. It's all what I do, because stock market extremely overpriced. I don't want to buy like with prices. When we're talking about like other markets like Chinese market, I don't understand it. It's all based on the decisions of the party that control like everything. And Russian stock market, right now prices are great, but I don't see like any like fundamental perspective like to market to keep going up, because it's a high inflation, no investment stuff, like I mean like no investment opportunities. So, and what can I do with like this money? It's extremely hard to move them like abroad. Pretty much that's it. You mean like first payout? Like usually it's 2 weeks. Usually it's like 2 weeks. Like 2 weeks you need like for first payout. So you pass your challenge is like 2 weeks. I think it's like honestly like last prop firm like I'm doing right now, like it's like more for statistic and for projects that I'm doing. I bought like 9 accounts. Like I've been buying them like one by one, so sometimes like 2 in a time. So in 9 accounts I passed 6, 3 failed. It's like small account, like around like 5 to 10k, sometimes like 25k, depends on what I want to achieve. Like the highest was like 50k, but it cost me like it was great promo. It cost me the same that I paid like from 10k, for example. like 80 bucks for 50k. It was great, but I failed it. So I passed 6 accounts and failed 3. But with 2 accounts, I failed them. It was my mistake, and one it was like stupid fail because I swapped from like 100k account to like 10k account and forgot to change position size and just open trade. But it's completely my fault, but still. Does the strategy have a high? Like Chinese guy, I have no idea what you're talking about. Do you use the DeFi ecosystem? No, I don't use. I don't use DeFi ecosystem. Move my stop a bit. Does the strategy have a high win rate? So I didn't see the last line. Yes, so it's like this strategy, like if you're doing like everything right and if you follow strategy correctly, it has like on my best account, I have like win rate. I had win rate. I failed this account a couple months ago. 92% win rate on the trades. But you have to trade like 1 to 1, like 1 to 2. Like you won't have trades like with 1 to 5, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. You're most likely you will have like 1 to 1 risk reward. Most likely. Hello, Shady, hello. Okay, guys, be right back. How often do you come live? So, Shady, I usually live like every single day, but today my last day of streaming this year. So if you don't want to miss like streams and announcement, because like next year it will be completely different schedule. I sent a link to our Flux Chart Discord where everything will be announced. So from my second account, this one. So all information will be there. So, but if you're talking about like schedule that I had, and also I will stream today again during New York session. Let me show you. Yeah, so this is like time in Eastern daytime zone. So basically I stream like London session open and New York session open. That's it. So guys, join our Discord channel, link for it just down below if you're watching us from YouTube, and if you're watching us from TikTok, I just sent it in chat. Also on our main page, if link doesn't work, you can use one from chat, but which pairs do you trade on live and how many? So what I usually trade live, it's Euro, British Pound. Sometimes I'm analyzing USD GPY. Like sometimes I also trade gold, but also analyze gold like quite often. Most my trades on German 40, NQ, and Dow Jones. So like, let's say like 6. Plus I also sometimes analyze crypto. Actually, like analyze it quite often. Not gonna lie. Plus, I can analyze if you have some questions, regardless what to analyze. I can easily like check it for you, so I don't have a problem with it. Like for example, today guy asked me about Tesla, and he also sent his analysis. He sent his like positions, and we just like discussed it in the chat. Like pretty much that's it. It's quite simple. That I'm using right now currently, yes. This is premium indicators. Yes, these are premium indicators. You can try it out for 7 days money back guarantee. Plus we have a great promo right now. It's like 40% for like all plans. So you can basically like buy yearly subscription, annual subscription for 40% off. Like I don't know. It's like great offer in my opinion. It looks okay. Once again, guys, like I don't risk much. I don't risk much, so I can hold position. Like it's not a big deal for me. Plus this 15 minutes fair value gap is okay. Yeah, I'll keep holding it, like why not? I don't care. Oh, I traded on small accounts like today, so because my big accounts, like I won't touch them. But I could have like take like 0.5% profit and just like walk away, so it was possible too. how you can get links to my live trading session, subscribe to our YouTube channel and set notifications on. Also, you can join our Discord community. I post my links there. TikTok doesn't give you anything, so it doesn't allow you to trade, to like set notifications. So YouTube's the only way. Okay, I can move stop limit close to entry. Open risk is commission, so like couple bucks. What I think, just like cut this trade, walk away with 0.5% and wait for a New York session. I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Okay, walking away with 0.4%. Walking away with 0.4%. This is not what I expected, but it's like last day of basically like trading session for the year. I don't know, like, I'm happy with my game. I'm happy with my game. So you see, it's not that hard to like analyze the chart. You just like have to know like where to exit. I might be wrong with my exits, but 0.4% on account, it's a great shit. This is like in my opinion. If we didn't close the trade yet, like, we can keep stop limit entry. It's still okay. Also, guys, don't forget, there won't be like much volatility. On the market, because frankly, like most of the people, they like stop trading already. Like, why do you need to trade when you have like Christmas like coming, like within like I don't know, like one day or something like this? Because you won't be able to, like, you don't want to trade because you want to relax. People who addicted to the market, they're mostly gambling. They're mostly gambling. People who actually trade, it's like small percentage, but they control like the most amount of money. See, like just like this, like $400 in a pocket. Okay. It looks great. I think we will see like great pump during New York session. But let's remain like to our German 40 trade. See, just need to get out like in time and don't give a fuck about not like about like missing profit if it goes higher. 8, yeah, sure. Just let me know like ticker for coin and I'll check it. Or I mean like coin company coin, or like, anyway, just like let me know like what to check, I'll check it for you. So like what coin? 8. Hey guys, like I'm sorry about I've been active like for quite some time now. My throat hurts, so I'm still sick. Cannot talk for like 3 hours straight. Yeah, most likely this is a reversal. Regardless, gold, yeah. Now it's a 50-50. The question is like, will we bounce from Asian low or not? So this is the question. Like, I would say yeah, but have to see it properly. Better to wait here. Okay guys, most likely I'm gonna end stream like in 5 to 10 minutes. So if you have like anything that you wanna ask me, feel free to message. Right now it's watching like more than 50 people watching us across like all like platforms. Also, if you wanna like see like streams like this more often, please join our Discord community, link for it below in the description. You can see that we're posting like our like streams there, and also this is gonna be like, this is like today gonna be like last like stream sessions that I have like this year. So if you don't wanna like miss like streams for like next year and our schedule for next year, feel free to message me and join our Discord as well. But better to join our Discord, so like all information will be there. Recommend trading for now, please. No. I highly recommend it to use the Google Translate, so you can express your thoughts clearly, because what you wrote here doesn't make any sense. If you wanna like trade something now, like I suggest like better not to trade at all and wait for New York session. Definitely for New York session we will have like something to trade, like 100%. But for me, like, better to stay away from trading at all, like today until like next year, I would say. It's quite simple because like we don't have like much liquidity on the market, and most of the people like went like to like the holidays. If you don't have like much liquidity, like why do you need to trade? you simply won't be able to. Now you will be able to open position, but you won't have like good price action. This is the point, like why everyone been trading in optimal trading time, like why like even like optimal trading time exists, because you simply you simply like more people trading, like cleanest price action is. This is how it works. If you want it or not, like, it doesn't matter. Because the most amount of people doing trading this is time. I think it's mostly because of market makers and how they like control the market, and like big money they enter in the position, so maybe because of it, I don't know. But trading in general, it's like you like remembering patterns. Like if you like read history of like trading, you can understand that trading is like remembering patterns and like following these patterns, like pretty much. It's all that's it. This is all like what you need to know like about trading, like fundamental like stuff about trading, I would say. Okay guys, anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join our Discord channel, and see you guys again, let's say like in 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours, like 20 minutes or so. This is like time when I get on for a New York session. If nothing like unusual will happen. If you don't want to miss stream, just join our Discord channel, link for it below in description, and see you guys, bye.